Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to play demo games on Steam. Playing demo games on Steam is a good way to test games before buying the full version. Many developers release free demos that let players experience part of the gameplay, graphics, or story on Windows PCs. Steam makes downloading and launching demos simple through the store and library sections. To begin, open the Steam app on your Windows computer, then sign into your Steam account or create one if you do not already have an account. Go to the Store tab at the top of the Steam window. Then use the search bar to look for a game that offers, or just search a demo. Then open the game's Steam Store page to check whether a demo is available. Scroll down on the store page until you find the game. Click the game of your choice. Click the download or install demo button to add a demo to your Steam library. Choose the installation location for the demo files if Steam asks where to save them. Wait for the demo to finish downloading and installing on your computer. Open your Steam library after installation completes. Then find the demo version of the game in your library list and click the game. Click the green play button to launch the demo. Adjust the game settings such as graphics, audio, and controls if needed before playing. And finally, test the game and performance, and decide whether you want to purchase the full version of the game afterward. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.